Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Hubs again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change the country of your SoundCloud account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to change the country on your SoundCloud account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and let's go to soundcloud.co like this and enter. And after that, let's let the page load, and this is the home page of SoundCloud. And if you have not yet created an account on SoundCloud, simply click on sign up for free and you'll be taken to the registration process of SoundCloud. Now, to log into your SoundCloud account, you can see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in and you'll be required to enter your email address or your username over here. I have already saved my info on the computer, so it's already entered over here. So let's log into our SoundCloud account. Let's continue. Let's sign into our SoundCloud account, and after logging into your SoundCloud account, this is the first interface you will see on your desktop, and you can see my username or your username on the top right corner of the screen. After logging in, and click on profile. When you hover over it, you can see the profile open, and click on profile, and under your profile you can see this interface. I have not yet customized my account, but this is the interface you will also see. And on the right side of the screen, you can see the edit button available over here, just beside the share button. Click on the edit button, and here is the country section over here. You will be required to enter your first name, last name, city. If you have not yet customized your account, or like me, now to change your country, you can just simply type in your country like this and click it, and after that you can see the save changes button available. When you scroll down, click on save changes, and there guys, we have successfully updated or changed our country on our SoundCloud account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.